A very good morning to you all, dear student. Class 2. I am your mathematics teacher. So I am going to discuss with you today with the chapter number 5, patterns. Yes, this is in one of the interesting chapter in your books. That is patterns. Okay, I am going to discuss this chapter patterns in two parts. The part 1 and today I am going to discuss part 1 and part 2 in the later period, because the chapter is lengthy. So I have decided to make this chapter in two videos. The part 1 is today, and the later part I am going to make this video in the part 2. Okay, let's start the lessons. Patterns. Okay, patterns. What do you mean by the term patterns? Here in mathematics, a pattern is a repeated arrangement of numbers, shapes, colors and so on, and it is a repeated arrangement of numbers, shape, colors and so on. Maybe it is a shape भी हो सकते हैं, कोई object भी हो सकता है, and it in mathematics generally dealings with the numbers. The pattern means numbers. Okay, if the set of numbers are related to each others in a specific rule, then the rule or manner is called a pattern. तो जो pattern दिख रहा है, here you have seen in the blackboard I have written a set of pattern numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, and question mark is here. 2, 4, 6, 8. The 4 is related to somehow the previous number 2 and the successor 6 also. The 6 and 8 also related to the previous number 4. 8 is related to previous number 6. Similarly, the last number, the marker question mark symbol is here given. This number is also related to somehow the previous number 8. So we have to find this number. Okay, that means a pattern is related to each others in a specific rule. तो एक specific rules follow करता है. That means ये previous number हो या पहला वाला number हो या पीछे वाला number हो, that means it follows a specific rules. Okay, sometimes patterns are also known as sequence. Patterns को हम लोग sequence भी बोलते हैं. Okay, the patterns are finite or infinite in numbers. Pattern may be finite भी हो सकते हैं, infinite भी हो सकता है. For example, I have written 2, 4, 6, 8. The rule is here 2. After 2, 3 is not given here, 4 coming, and 4 after 4, 6 coming because 5 is absent here. 6 after 6, 8 is coming, 7 is absent here. Similarly, after 8, 9 will be absent here and it becomes 10. So the answer portion, this portion will be 10 or so on. ऐसे is an infinite or finite भी हो सकते, ठीक है. I am here written just stopping there in the finite numbers, the 10. Or we can say that here the number, second number is related to the first number. How it is related? Because if we added 2, the previous number 2 plus 2, 4, it becomes, similarly 4 plus 2, it becomes 6, similarly 6 plus 2, it becomes 8, and 8 plus 2, it becomes 10. The somehow it is follows a specific rules because they are difference or they are growing by 2, isn't it? The 2 by growing, 2 is growing again 2 by 2, that means 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10. So this way they are following a specific sequence. So these are the called patterns. It is a number patterns, or we can say it is an arithmetic patterns. Okay. So mainly today we are going to discuss the number pattern in briefly. Then after that, the second part we are going to discuss the shapes, color and other types of pattern similar. Okay, the number pattern in mathematics is very important because in your class or in the upper class, it is a part of a logical, that means a logical series, a logical reasoning. It will help you in your career in the above part, because we have all known that reasoning it is become an inevitable part of competitive exam. So we can grow this type of, we can need this type of infrastructure in the very root level. So you have to very much, तुम लोग सब यहाँ पे interest दो, that means clearly this that so that you can gain the concept. तो concept gain करो so that in the previous class or in the upper class, it will be easier for you, it will become easier for you. Okay, so dear students, let us proceed another part. Okay. Okay, we all know that mathematics is all about numbers. It involves the study of types of pattern, just as number pattern, image patterns, and the logical patterns, word pattern, etc. The number patterns are very common in mathematics. In mathematics, number patterns are very common. These are quite familiar to the students who study maths frequently. We all are dealing with the subject maths magic, because the terms magic is here, isn't it? So the pattern is also a magic. You have to find a magic, because the absent part of the which here question mark is given, the fill in the blanks may be given, or any other term, some absent numbers is given. You have to just understand, or you have to just find the tricks or find the pattern logics, which is the logic behind this the set of numbers, because this is a part of also a magic, the maths magic, the and pattern, it is very helpful. Okay, these are the quite familiar to the student who dealing with the mathematics frequently. Especially number patterns are everywhere in mathematics. Okay, number patterns are everywhere in mathematics. Okay, some more examples. Let's see some more examples. In mathematics, we all know that some even numbers, odd numbers is there. Even numbers are those numbers which is, it is a pair in section, or it is divided by 2, and odd numbers are those numbers which is not divided by 2 in simple terms. Okay, the even numbers, even number pattern, for example, even number pattern. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, this way it is going. It is called an even number pattern. Here you have seen all the numbers in the series are even numbers, because 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 is all divisible by 2, because 2 is a pairing number. It is 1 plus 1 equal to 2, it is a pair, and all the numbers 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 are divided by 2. So these are the even number patterns. And odd number pattern, odd number pattern. Okay, let's take some examples of odd numbers patterns. I have already given you the definitions of odd numbers. Odd numbers are those numbers which is divisible by only that numbers or by 1. For example, not exactly like that, the 15, because 15 is also an odd numbers, it is divisible by 3 and 5, but 15 is divided by 1 and 15 also, but it is not divisible by 2. Those number which is not divisible by 2 is called odd numbers. So odd numbers pattern, for example, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, so on. It is an example of odd number pattern. Here you have seen 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, because 3 is not divided by 2. Similarly 5, 7, 8, 11, some here are the numbers, some are the prime numbers are also here, the prime numbers, because whenever we dealing with the numbers, the various types of numbers, odd number, even number, prime numbers, in mathematics the definitions or introductions is very important, because prime numbers are those numbers which is divisible by only the number itself and 1. For example, 7, 11, 13, these are the prime numbers, but here 3 is also in prime number, 5 is also in prime number, but here 9 and 15 is not a prime number, because 9 and 15 is also divided by some other numbers, that is 9 is divided by 3 and 15 is also divided by 3. Similarly 15 is also divided by 5. So we cannot say, or we cannot call 9 and 15 is a prime numbers, because 9 and 15 is also divided by some other numbers. Okay, dear students, here I am given the two types of examples even number pattern and odd number pattern. The first part of the pair is even number pattern. Here you have seen the numbers or the series is following a specific set of rules or a specific set of numbers, because the difference between 2 and 4 is 2. I have already given you these definitions or these examples in the first part. Because 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, this way they are growing, because 2 plus 2, if we added 2 to 2, it becomes 4. Similarly 4 plus 2, it becomes 6, 6 plus 2, it becomes 8, 8 plus 2, it becomes 10, 10 plus 2, it becomes 12. Similarly 2, 12 plus 2, 14. This way these are going. So we can say that it is an infinite number of patterns. Okay, we can write in infinite numbers. Similarly odd numbers, here it is also same in type. The 3, 5, 4 is absent here, 5 is coming, 5, 6 is absent here, 7 again. That means if we added 3 plus 2, it becomes 5. Similarly 5 plus 2, it becomes 7, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 2, 13, 13 plus 2, 15. So on, this way it is going. Here I have seen both the pattern even and odd, the plus 2, this way it is going. So the numbers adding is almost all the numbers are same. 3 plus 2, 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2, all are the same. They are following a specific rules or specific certain number of patterns, or we can say that pattern. We can say the pattern is a sequence, or it is a certain type of sequence. Okay, so these are the examples of even numbers pattern and odd number pattern. Okay, let's proceed another example. Okay, in mathematics the different types of number patterns are, we can say, divided into basically 3 parts. That is, first part is arithmetic pattern, second part is geometric pattern, and third part is Fibonacci pattern. Okay, let's discuss it. In mathematics or in numbers generally patterns are divided into 3 parts. First part arithmetic pattern. Okay, first part arithmetic pattern. Second part geometric pattern. You have all know that we are dealing with the subject mathematics, so geometry will be there. Okay, geometric pattern. And third part Fibonacci pattern. Fibonacci pattern. Okay, arithmetic pattern, geometric pattern, and Fibonacci pattern. Okay, the number one arithmetic pattern. I am explaining it. Okay, the pattern, first part arithmetic pattern. The arithmetic pattern is also known as algebraic pattern. Okay, algebra, arithmetic, it is a common term in mathematics. Okay, you are in class 2, you people are in class 2, so this terms or algebra, arithmetic, this terms is familiar with you, isn't it? So arithmetic pattern, the pattern is also known as algebraic pattern. In an arithmetic, the sequence are based on generally additions or subtraction of the terms. Okay, generally arithmetic pattern पे क्या होता है? The pattern is generally based on based on additions or subtraction पे based होता है, isn't it? For example, इसका example, for example, arithmetic pattern 5, 10, 15 dash 25 dash, fill in the blanks. Say, given you an example, you have to fill the blanks with some logical pattern. Okay, this is an example of mathematical pattern. We can say that it is an arithmetic pattern, or it is also say that, but it is not an even number or odd number pattern, because it is a mixed pattern, because 10 is not an even number here, 515 is an even number, 515 is an odd number, 25 is also an odd number, but 10 here is not an odd number, 10 is an even number because it is divided by 2. Here the sequence you have seen 5, 10, 15, comma, blank, comma, 25 and again blank. So what will be the number come here in the blank part? So 5, 10 you have seen 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means 4 numbers is absent here. 4 numbers is absent here. After 5, 10 is coming. So what is the logic here? Because here it is 5 difference is here. If we added 5 to 5, it becomes 10. Similarly, if added 10 to 5, it becomes 15. If we added again 15 to 5, because the previous two pattern plus 5 is coming, so it is common. From the observations we have found that the difference is 5 or the number is growing by 5. So we need to add it 15 to 5, that means it becomes 20. Similarly 20 plus 5, 25. Here already the numbers 25 is given, ये सेट हो गया है, isn't it? तो 20 का साथ 5 प्लस करने से 25 होता है, ऑलरेडी सेट. Similarly 25 plus 5 it becomes 30. So it is an example of arithmetic pattern. You have seen the 5 5 5 5 by growing the numbers was growing by 5 because it is an addition based on additions, isn't it? So generally arithmetic pattern is based on additions and subtraction also. There may be a subtraction part of in the arithmetic pattern. Okay. The second one is in geometric pattern. What is the geometric pattern? The geometric pattern is defined as the sequence of numbers that are based on multiplications and division operations. In geometric patterns, you people are in class 2 right now, isn't it? So addition and subtraction is common for you, but division and multiplications, because the table we have found 1 1 0 1 multiplication tables. Multiplications means same as the divisions, because in the opposite side whenever we multiply 5 into 2, the 5 2s are 10, and whenever we divided 10 by 5, the result is become 2. So multiplications and division part is commonly interrelated. So the geometric pattern is based on generally multiplications and divisions. So some examples, let's take some examples so that it will be clear for you. Okay, the geometric pattern, the 2 4 8 16 dash 64 dash. Okay, the pattern in the geometric pattern, here you have seen the numbers 2 4 8 16 dash 64 dash again. So you need to find the logic behind these patterns. I am already told you the geometric pattern is based on multiplications and division, so no need to go through the additions or subtraction logic. So multiplications, so what is the relation between the numbers 4 and 2? After 2 it becomes 4, 4 becomes 8, 8 becomes a 16. Similarly dash blank portion is here, and 64 and 64 after again blank. So the two, what will be the two numbers here in the blank portions? The logic behind is, okay, if we observe carefully, we can see that the numbers 2 and 4, because whenever we remind the table number 2, 2 1 0 2, 2 2 0 4, isn't it? 2 2 0 4, that means 2 into 2 it becomes 4. Again table number 4, 4 1 0 4, 4 2 0 8, isn't it? 4 2 0 8, that means the previous two numbers is the multiplication of into 2. 2 2 0 4, 4 2 0 8. So this way the patterns growing. Similarly the table number 8, 8 1 0 8, 8 2 0 16, yes, 8 2 0 16. So multiplied by each number 2, it becomes the next numbers. The pattern is going this way. Okay. Similarly 16, table number 16 1 0 16, 16 2 0 32, it becomes 32. Similarly 32 into 2, it becomes 64. Similarly 64 into 2, it becomes 4 2 0 8, 6 2 0 12, 128. Okay, so this way the pattern is growing. From the logic we have found that in the blank word 32 and 128 the numbers will come because each number is multiplied by 2, and this is called the geometric pattern based on multiplications and division. Okay, division, that means division part is also behind this. Whenever we divide 128 by 64, we found the result is 2 because 128 is divided by 64. Similarly 64 is divided by 32, it will become 2. 64 is divided by 32. Similarly 32 is divided by 16 into 2. Similarly 16 is also divided by 8. 8 2s are 16, and 8 is also divided by 4. 4 2s are 8, and 4 is also divided by 2. 2 2s are 4. So this way this pattern is growing. Okay, so I hope you can understand the first arithmetic patterns. It is based on additions and subtractions, and the second part geometric pattern, it is based on multiplications and additions. Okay, last part of the patterns, Fibonacci pattern. Okay, the Fibonacci pattern. What is the term of Fibonacci denote? That means the Fibonacci pattern is defined as the sequence of numbers in which the term in the sequence is each term in the sequence is obtained by adding the two terms before it. That means एक सीक्वेंस दिया रहेगा तो दो पहला दो सीक्वेंस का एडिशन पार्ट थर्ड वाला होगा. दैट मीन्स स्टार्टिंग विद द नंबर्स 0. फॉर एग्जांपल हम एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल ऐसे तो पैटर्न 0 1 1 2 3 5 8 13 21. Okay, dot dot dot, so on this way. It is growing. This is called a Fibonacci patterns. What is the logic behind this pattern? From the definitions I have told you that the Fibonacci pattern is the additions of the previous two terms. That means here the third term you have seen the 1. The 1, how it is obtained? Because the previous two term is 0 and first term is 0 and second term is 1. So 0 plus 1 it becomes 1. We have known, we know that if we added 1 to 0 or any number to 0, it becomes the same number. So 0 plus 1 1. Similarly 1 plus the second and third, 1 plus 1 it becomes 2. The fourth number is coming. Similarly the 1 plus 2, these two numbers 1 plus 2 it becomes 3. Similarly 2 plus 3 it becomes 5. Okay, similarly 3 plus 5 it becomes 8. As it is 5 plus 8 it becomes 13. 8 plus 13 it becomes 21. So this way the pattern is growing. Okay, that this is called a Fibonacci pattern. The additions or the sum of first the previous two numbers is the result of the third numbers. This pattern is growing this way. So it is not for exactly in your class 2 part, it is not something, it is for higher classes. मैंने ऐसे एग्जाम्पल में इसको डाल दिया. ओके, सो डोंट वरी फॉर दैट. पहले सीखना कोई गलती नहीं है, ठीक है. सो डियर स्टूडेंट, दिस आर अ पैटर्न बेस्ड ऑन arithmetical or in mathematics generally. So today we have learned so much about the patterns. In the later part or part 2 video we will discuss more. Till then, so thank you for joining today's video. Have a nice day.